Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log and hide WhatsApp chat. So for this, first of all, you have to open the WhatsApp application and just make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. And now open the conversation you wish to log on WhatsApp. Then tap on their profile name in the top list. Scroll down a little bit and tap on this chat lock. Keep this chat locked and hidden. Use your fingerprint to open this chat and read notifications on this phone. For even more privacy, locked chats will be kept separate from other chats. So if you turn this toggle on, you need to enable your fingerprint and that's it. This chat is now locked. You can find it locked in the chats tab. Tap view to open locked chats. Go back and close the WhatsApp tab. Now I will show you how to access locked chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, just open the WhatsApp app from your smartphone. Then swipe down on the chat feed to open the chat section. Tap on this locked chats. Use your fingerprint to unlock locked chat. And there you can see the locked chat section in WhatsApp is locked automatically once you go back to the main chat screen. Here you will find all your logged conversations. And now how to turn off locked chat for WhatsApp. So if you want to turn off locked chat, open the conversation, tap on your profile. Now scroll down again and you can see this chat lock is on. If you tap on it, just toggle this off, use your fingerprint and now this chat is unlocked. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.